Hi, my name is Mohammed Faiz. I am studying in BSc Computer Science in ML College. Today we are discussing about 8085 interrupts. It is a signal that temporarily suspend normal program. Interrupts controlled by interrupt enabled flip-flop. The microprocessor said to interrupt it enable flip-flop and signal into goes high. Next we are discussing about software interrupts. Set of instructions inserted into program at any time. 8085 have 8 software interrupts RSTO to RST7. INT instructions are initiate. The next interrupt is hardware interrupts. Interrupt signal passing through pins 5 hardware enter INTR RST7 5 RST 6.5 RST 5.5 trap. TRAP has highest priority. So this is my presentation. I conclude my words. Thank you.